Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to 7 Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you how to make a luxury house planning in the dimensions of 36 by 60 feet. Length is 60 feet, width is 36 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients, so if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. So let's get started guys. As you can see guys, this is street which width is about 12 feet. The first one guys, on the street you can see this is the sliding gate for this shop. So this is the requirement of my client, so therefore I did this shop 9 feet 8 inch by 11 feet 7 inches. Also we have the access from this lawn side here. Next guys, you can see this is the main entrance which width is 11 feet, and this is its lawn. The first one guys, you can see this is car porch. Size of this car porch is 13 feet by 14 feet. Next guys, you can see here this is lawn. Size of this lawn is 16 feet by 19 feet. This is 19 feet and width is 16 feet. Got it? Now guys, here we have the main entrance. Guys, you can see we have two steps, and the other step we have the access for this stair hall. This stair hall is specially designed for first floor. Guys, you can see width is 8 feet. Okay, under this stair guys, we have open passage. Also at the back side, we open passage or open to sky we have also for proper ventilation. So here guys, you can use this door for this stair hall. Also from the TV lounge you can use this stair. You can see clearly this is lobby which width is 6 feet. So here guys, when you enter to this lobby, so size of this drawing room is, the first one is drawing room. Size of this drawing room is 16 feet 4 inch by 14 feet 6 inches. Guys, you can see clearly this is its window. Okay, next guys, you can see this is a TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge is 12 by 18 feet, and this is its window to this open to sky, OTS, open to sky, which width is 3 feet. Next guys, you can see we have the access to this open sky, especially, and under this stair guys, we have the width is 3.5 feet because the flight width is 3.5 feet, therefore the landing width is also 3.5 feet. Next guys, you can see in this drawing room we have attached bath. Size of this bath is 4 feet by 5 feet, and also we have the open sky which width is here 3.5 feet. Next guys, you can see we have the access from this TV lounge to this kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 13 feet by 10 feet. Okay guys, and also we have for this drawing room we have the wardrobe here, as you can see. Next guys, you will find two bedrooms. So the first one is this bedroom. Size is 13 feet 6 inch by 15 feet. Here attached, you can see guys, this is a dress and this is bath. Size of this bath is 5 feet 8 feet, 5 feet by 8 feet, and this is a dress. Also this is 5 feet by 6 feet. Guys, you can see clearly for this kitchen we have this window to this open sky. Next, you can see at the back side we have width 4 feet, the back side for proper ventilation and also for sanitary system. Guys, you can see this is the window for this bedroom. Also guys, you can see this is ventilation, and we have exit door to the back side for this bedroom. The next one is this bedroom. Size is same, as you can see this room size is also same, and this is bath. Size is 5 by 8 feet. This is its ventilation. This is its window. As you can see, we have a big window for this TV lounge which width is 10 feet. As you can see clearly. Hope this short video can help you. You can make a screenshot if you like this drawing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.